Okay, so we have a 2009 Volvo XC90 here, and looks like blower stopped working, so I'm gonna put to the max, just right there, and nothing happens. There's no air coming out of the vents, so it's either the center panel broke or the resistor on the blower or blower itself. So I'm gonna diagnose it with VIDA. Let's see. We have a VIDA here. Have to wait for it to load, and yeah, we're gonna test it. Okay, so I have a VIDA here, and I'm gonna run the diagnostics. It's CUS. Okay, I think that's all we need to check. Okay, we got it here. Diagnose it. Let's see. So again, the blower isn't working. I'm gonna try to diagnose it here with VIDA, and we'll see. What the problem is. It takes a while. It is very strange because I really never had an issue with blower on especially on the 07 on 08 and the newer XC70s. So let's see. I'm gonna choose here 4 trays. Let's see what the problem is. Okay, we have blower control here. Maybe fuses. So we have some errors here. Let's see. Yes, blower isn't working. So yeah, have to figure out now. Maybe the sensor, the temperature sensor. Let's see this one. Cabin temperature does not correspond to value set. So probably the sensor here, this one there. So we'll see. I'm either gonna plug another unit to check, or we have to check the blower. So look like this sensor is faulty, so we're gonna replace this one, and we'll see if that's gonna fix the issue. Okay, so I have repaired the issue with a blower. So blower wasn't working, so I had heat coming out of the vents, and what I did, I went to the local junkyard and I got that panel. I got the whole panel with the screen. As you can see, it is all dirty. I didn't clean it yet to show that that was replaced. So I replaced the whole thing, and it started working. So that was an issue, and all I had to do is remove that panel, and then unscrew the heater control from the back, and I replaced it together with the screen and with the sensor. I cleaned the sensor also. There's a sensor here. So and what I had to do, I had to remove that switch, because on the other one, I don't know if I have it here, there was a parking sensor, and then I don't have parking sensors, and I think I have to replace this also, that sensor, I mean that button, because I don't have auto. So I'm gonna replace that, but it was an easy fix. I paid I think $50 for the whole unit, for the whole control panel, with the surround wood and everything. And before even I paid for it, all I did, I unplugged it here because I have a carpet removed. I'm drying it out. So what I did, I unplugged it here and the fiber optic cable, and I plugged the one from the junkyard, and it started working. So then also I tried just to change the sensor. It didn't work, and I also tried to change the harness, and because I saw that one black cable was like cut a little bit, so that didn't help. So I had to replace the whole unit. So there you go, it is working now. I'm going to start the car to show that the AC is working right now. So as you can hear, it is working. The fan is working fine. So I put it in auto. The AC is working. Everything works. So it was $50 fix, and I'm gonna clean it now and put together here the surround panel and the chrome piece right there. So yeah, if you have a problem with a blower not working on a S80 or XC70 2008 and newer, usually it is that control panel that goes bad. So I showed in the video, there were like 4 codes, so I just tried this one, and it worked. So yeah, to the next one.